Hey everybody, Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and I'm running out of natural light here in the afternoon here outside of Phoenix, but I really wanted to show off this box we just got from FedEx from Nextbase. Haven't heard of Nextbase? Well, you will. They make premium dash cam camera systems, and we are so lucky to have partnered up with them for our upcoming trip. They sent out a bunch of gear to try out and to test in different scenarios, on-road, off-road. We've got a cabin-facing camera, we've got a rear camera, we've got a front camera. So let's take a look here. I pulled the zipper on it, but you get to see what's inside the box together. Got a bunch of stuff in here. I'm just going to lay it all out. We'll talk about what it is. All right, a couple more things in here. Lots of stuff. Okay, so this is the Nextbase 522. So this is their second generation flagship camera. This is 1440p high definition. It's got a 3-inch touchscreen on the back. Has a 140-degree viewing angle. This thing has built-in Alexa. It's GPS enabled. It's Wi-Fi enabled. It has all of the cool options. You see right there, Wi-Fi, Alexa, made for iPhone, iPad, Android, and compatible with Nextbase rear camera modules. So we'll show you. Let's see. There's a rear view camera. So this is designed to plug into the side of this facing rearward, and it has a wide angle lens to catch your back and side windows. I also think in this box somewhere, here we go. Turn my arms in the way. This is a cabin view camera. So this is another module that plugs in. What this does is it shows the 4 people in the rig. So when we're cruising around on our vacation, we'll have this plugged in, and you'll see what's going on inside the Jeep. So that should be fun. So that's the 522. Next up, we've got the 322. The 322 is a 1080p high definition camera. Has a 2.5-inch touchscreen on the back, 140-degree viewing angle. It does not have, this one is GPS and Wi-Fi enabled. It does not have Alexa, so this is their middle one. They've got the 122, 222, 322, 422, and 522, but this one does have GPS and Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi, iPhone, Android, and this one is also compatible with the rear module. So that's the 322. Let's see what else we have. We've got, so this is the 122. This one is 720p HD. It has a 120-degree viewing angle. You can put a polarizing filter on this one, or the 322, the 522 actually comes with it built in, which is pretty cool. So this one doesn't have the Wi-Fi or the GPS or anything like that, but it's still a wonderful HD camera for your dash cam. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. We've got some micro SD cards, and then of course, this is the hardwire kit for the dash cam. So this is going to go in the Jeep with the 522, so I don't have to worry about plugging it into a cigarette lighter or anything like that. We'll hardwire it in. So there you go. That's what was in the box. We got a 522, a 322, a 122, both of the rear modules and the hardwire kit, and some SD cards. So stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more information on this, plus tons of footage that we're going to take with these cameras. So hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Check them out. Nextbase cameras, Nextbase. I'm going to put some links down below, but you can go to nextbase.com, check all this out. But there's going to be links. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them for me. There's going to be so much more information on this. This is literally just me taking them out of the boxes because I'm too excited to not do it right now. Hope you enjoyed this. Get ready for more information. Do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, give me the thumbs up. You definitely want to subscribe, because we're going to have a lot more information on these. Installation in the car, driving on the road, driving off-road, all kinds of footage from Nextbase and Bold Canyon Outdoors on our upcoming trip. Mash that thumbs up button, mash that subscribe button. We'll talk to you soon, everybody. Happy trails.